touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying, okay.
So hi guys, I think you've seen what have happened during the day. I want now to leave to go to town. I've just put on this denim jacket and my pink sandals. This one says what I'm going to wear, and I'm carrying, if you know me, you know I really like carrying this bag, my normal LV bag. So I just carried my documents inside because I wanted to go and apply for something in town, as I do shopping for the hair I want to do in Dubois. I think I'll share everything when I get back. And I also want to do my toenails. As you can see, I did my hands nails, so that's what we are going to do. We are leaving right now. I don't think I'll tag you guys along because I just want it to be a very fast, easy process. So I'll just keep you updated what will happen. Yeah, so see you here.
Somebody says your name in my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why.
So hi guys, I've come here with my matutas because I want to do my hair today. And I think the last day I talked to you guys was on Thursday. Today's on Saturday and today's on Monday. So I'll show you the things I got from Dubois, and then we will flow with now me doing my hair, what I used to wash my hair, because everything I do it at home. I don't even go to the salon at all. Like, I can't really tell you guys the last day I was in the salon. Oh, let me first oil my lips. Okay, let's dive into this. I got these scrubbers, body scrub gloves, these ones. I got them for 50 bob. Yeah, 50 bob. And then I got this one because the one I was using, the one I got from House of Leather, if in case you watched that video, I had got this in Itoaji. If I remember the name, I'll put it here. I got this one for 100 bob, and the fact that it's very heavy, it's what really amazed me. And then the two colors, the purple and the pink. These days I don't know why I'm so in love with pink, but pink is becoming my thing. Yeah, so I got this one for 100 bob. And I got Spanish by Angels, color number 1. So this one is what I'm going to use. I'm going to do the boho braids. I'm going to use this one. This one I got it for 200 bob. Tell me why braids have just become very expensive. Tell me why. Tell me why. Aki, where are we heading to? Honestly, the braids I used to got for 150, now I'm buying it at 230. Actually, the last time I was there they told me 250, and now when I went back on Saturday they told me 230. I really don't know where we are heading to, but all is well. So this is the beauty shop I always go to, Vision Beauty Care. It's always in a Akachuo map. I don't know how to tell you guys, but for me, there is where I get my braids. I tend to find it a bit affordable. So I got Guess Girl. This one I'll do it after I am done with these braids that I'm going to do. So probably this will be my look for December, or maybe the start of the year, or when I'll think I just want to do it. So this is always how Guess Girl comes like. Yeah, so I got Guess Girl. Guess Girl was around 365. And then these are always the braids I'm always going for. Anytime you see me doing braids, I always go for these braids. Extra long. This one extra long, my darling. These ones are my favorite. So I got number 1. Let's see, which also matches with this one, is also number 1. So I got 2 of these long one for 230. Yeah, 230. Yeah, and those were the things I got. Tell me how these days even 1,000 bob is just like 500 bob in town. Tell me why. But anyway, we move. So I want to wash my hair and then condition it. So this is the shampoo I always use. I make my shampoos, and this one is how it looks like. This is the shampoo I'm using currently. And then I use this protein hair treatment, this one for Lori's milk protein. This thing has served me. It's almost a year down, and see where it is. See where it is. It's almost a year down. This thing, I mean, I will tell you, invest in these hair things. So this is the hair treatment I'm going to use. Yeah, and that's all I got. And today is just like self-care day. I'm going to scrub my face with this. This is a jam. This is a jam. I always do it for my body, especially this part of my body. I tend to just want to have a smooth feeling. Okay, it's raining today. The coffee scrub I use, yep. I tend to use this one and the Garnier black mask scrubber. Yep. So I think I'll see you later. Bye bye. I forgot to show you guys, I went for toe manicure. This is the color. This is white. White is the color I went for. Anyway, this is how my toes look like. Let me show you the yeah. So this is the status. I really don't have those cute toes, but yo, on the finger I got the jam. Yeah, so this is what I went for my hands, and for my legs I went for white. Yep. So work done, very well done. This will serve me for a while. This one is what really doesn't last for so long, but I love it. Love it. Hey guys, I thought of just doing this hair without flat ironing it, or just making it dry. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go with it the way it is, as wet as it is, and yeah, we flow. I hope it will give me the results I want, but I know my hair is not really like the kinky one, because you can see even the way it just has its natural curls. It's not that heavy. Okay, sorry, I was just checking if it's raining, because today it's just sun, rain, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with this Spanish, as I told you. I'm doing Spanish with this Abuja extra long. You can see, yeah, extra long. Yeah. Let me get my glasses because I need it to see. My starter pack is water, warm water with a bar of chocolate. So that's my starter pack for this whole tutorial thing. I think I'll show you as I have done it a little bit. I need to close the window because it's kinda raining inside. Yeah, so you'll see the end results of it. I'll show you. Yeah, so bye.
I touch that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me.
Oh, hi guys. I managed to finish my hair yesterday. I just didn't feel like filming at that time. It's early in the morning. I'm planning to leave for work, so I felt I should just end this vlog here, and also I can show you now the end results of how the hair turned out to be. I now need to use this headband because bonnet, because now there is a bit big, but this is the end result. I will just need to apply this mousse on the curly hair. And that's it. I applied yesterday olive oil on my scalp because I felt it was a bit painful, and it's because I've taken a while before I plaited my hair, so yeah, but everything turned right. I finished one full braid and a cap pinch, and for the Spanish I almost finished all of it, and this is because I was not even putting a lot of it in. As you can see, it's not that bulky. Yeah, so I think I'll style it later. I'll show you how to style it. Probably I'll do a different video how to style it. Let it just first sit down and heal and my scalp to feel better, and then we can do that one. But anyway, kindly comment what you feel about it. I'm feeling nice. So kindly comment what you feel about it, and see you on my other vlog. Bye bye.